Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. This is Olayemi cooking. I'm going to show you how to make chicken fried rice, how to make delicious Nigeria recipe. This is the best Nigeria fried rice you ever try. I'm going to show you how I make my own chicken fried rice with oil free. This is without oil. So I'm going to show you step by step, and it's very delicious and it will not get spoiled easily. So let's start making it. I'm going to share how to season the chicken just as in the video. I'll just add some salt. I'm going to add some diced onions, then some seasoning. Please remember to check the description for more ingredients. So I'm going to add some thyme. You can also add some curry. This is all the ingredients I'm going to tell you all about. If you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe to my channel, and please remember to like this video as well. So I'm going to cook it for just 10 minutes without oil, so the chicken will bring out some juice. After 10 minutes, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Then I'm going to stir it. As you know, the chicken we get in the US are not as hard as the one we have in the US, in Nigeria, I mean. So I'm going to cook this for 30 minutes. I like my chicken really soft. So after 30 minutes, I'm going to transfer it into a big tray. Then I'm going to put it into the oven. Please, yeah, if you want to fry your chicken, free, but this recipe is oil free. So I'm going to grill my chicken in the oven until it's very dry. So after putting it in the oven, let's start preparing our fried rice. I already put my chicken stock in the refrigerator to get it cooled like a little bit free, so I can extract the chicken fat from the chicken stock. So this is how I look after extracting it. I'm going to add some diced onions into the pan. At this point, I'm going to start preparing my rice, the yellow rice or the green rice. How to make my rice green in color, or some people call it yellow rice. I'm going to add some curry powder. This is a curry rice, so I'm going to add some curry powder just to give it that nice flavor and change the color of the rice. So after I already washed my rice, I didn't parboil my rice. I washed it up to 7 times to get pure water. You can watch some of my video. I'm going to add other video in the description below, or you can click the box up here to know how I washed my rice. So I'll set this in the, please remember to cook this in the medium flame, not high flame, medium flame. Then you stir all your rice to get the correct flavor, the correct color of your rice, how you want it. If you want it to be more green, you can add more curry powder, but that little curry powder I just add is okay for me. So I'll just go ahead and stir everything until everything is well stir dry without water. So I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken stock. Earlier I showed you how my chicken stock is, so I'll add it. I'm using chicken stock to prepare my rice until my rice is well cooked. Please remember to share this video. Please remember to share this video, and please remember to let me know where you are watching this video from, so in the comment section, so I can give you a hug. So I'll allow this to cook, then we just cover and allow our rice to cook. You can see, just cover the rice with your chicken stock, then you start cooking. So this is the outcome after 30 minutes. Don't overcook your rice. You can see everything is well ready. Let me show you how it looks. Then we start making our vegetables to prepare our chicken fried rice. Everything come out perfectly where I want it. So let's start making our vegetable. Once again, I'm going to use the chicken fat as well, the one I removed from the chicken stock. I already keep some in extra bowl, so I will add it in the pan. Then we start using it to prepare our vegetables. As I said, it's oil free, so we're only using the chicken fat to prepare. You can see this is how I look once I freeze it. As I said, I freeze it in the refrigerator to extract the fat from it. So we just put it in the pan. We don't need much oil, don't need more fat, just little to prepare our vegetables. So this will make your rice taste really good. So I'm going to add onions into it to prepare our vegetables for our chicken fried rice. So I'll just give it a nice stir so it smells really good. It smells good because it's a delicious Nigerian fried rice. As I said, it's the best Nigerian fried rice you are going to eat, and it's delicious chicken fried rice. So I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped carrots. I chopped carrots off camera earlier, so I'm going to state. All these ingredients will be in the description below. Please remember to check it out. So I'll stir this for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll go ahead and add other fresh vegetables. So if you've not liked this video, please remember to like this video and let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section once you try it. I'm going to add fried shrimps. I already fried this up camera. Then I'm going to add green bell pepper. It's a fresh green bell pepper. Also, I'm going to add red bell pepper and sweet corn. So I'm going to add some corn into it. It's a frozen corn, or you can as well prepare your corn as well. You can watch the video as well. I'm going to go ahead and add my green pea as well. So I'll stir everything and in a low flame. Please prepare this in a medium flame because we don't want to overcook our vegetables and we want everything to be rich and tasty with our chicken fried rice. So after stirring this, you can as well add some beef liver or you can add liver as well, but in this recipe I'm going to skip the liver. I'm not going to add liver. So after this, you can go ahead and season it. So I'm going to go ahead and add some salt. All the ingredients will be in the description below. I'm going to add some seasoning to give our vegetable a nice taste. Then I'll keep on stirring this. Please remember to prepare this in a medium flame. Do not overcook your vegetables because you are going to go ahead and add your fried rice, your prepared rice earlier. So I'm going to add some thyme. You can add more thyme. I'm going to go ahead and add some curry just as in the video. So I'm going to go ahead and stir everything with my vegetable. This really smells good. I wish you are in my kitchen to perceive the smell and make the taste the chicken fried rice with me. So I'm going to prepare everything. Now we are going to go ahead and add our rice. As you can see, it's really oil free. I didn't have any oil to this chicken fried rice. It really come out really good. It tastes really good. So I'm going to combine my rice with my vegetable just as in the video. Please let me know if you have any comments or any questions about this recipe in the comment section. I'm here to answer your questions and I'm here to make things easy for you and show you an easy way to prepare this chicken fried rice. It's very simple and it will not get spoiled easily. So I'm going to transfer all my rice into my vegetable, then we'll stir everything until it's well rich with our vegetables. So this is how to prepare your chicken fried rice with oil free. And after everything, this is how it really comes out. I'm going to keep on stirring because I don't want some part to be full of vegetables and while others are just plain rice. So just stir gently. At this point, you can reduce your flame. So this is my grilled chicken. I'm going to add my grilled chicken. This is the outcome. This is the outcome of our fried rice without oil, our chicken fried rice, our Nigeria chicken fried rice without oil, free from oil. Thanks so much for watching my chicken fried rice, how to make chicken fried rice. Hope to see you all in my next video. Please remember to subscribe to our channel if you've not subscribed, and please remember to share. Hope to see you next time, and bye bye.